Good evening, everyone. It's again today we are going to discuss mostly about it will be about the Gmail. Gmail is like a web browser. Mostly, you can easily access it on a web browser. You can have it as an app. Mostly, is used for sending and receiving of messages through the Gmail. You can easily even send a message multiple multiple people at once and you get it. So we're going to go through how to create an email. So mostly can come to probably me, I got my email and created. But provided you have not created, and just come here to Google and you come also you can use that you can get it as on the Google browser. Like if you can come here and you type in Google, you can type in Gmail, probably you can get it, or you can get it as an app. If you come here and you open it, see that I'm having Gmail. If you come to Gmail and can come to Gmail, it's a working space where you can write your messages and so on. So you see mine is already here. But if you want to see it, you go to register, to registering, you verify with your name, you also verify with the Google terms and conditions about all of this. And you will get something like this. If you have something like this here, yeah, this is what they call a Google Gmail. So if you come here, it has multiple functions. We are having settings, how you can set it and so on. We are having composing, we are having inbox. Mostly in inbox, that is where you check for the received messages. Sent, that is where you search for the sent messages you send to people. That drafts, those are messages which had not been sent, but you send them, but they are saved in the drafted thing. It has labels. Labels, you can group people and you put them in as labels. You can put them as a family and so on. Mostly helps when you want to send people, multiple group of people, a single Gmail message. Just have them to label them, or you label them as family, you label them and you put them in a group. When you put them in a group, like here, a new label, new this, and you start adding people. When you add people, when it comes time of sending, it becomes easy to send it and to do everything. So I would like to look about even composing. If you want to compose a Gmail, it can you click here, compose, and they bring you something of this kind. If you see here, they tell you to now this tool is to the recipient who is going to receive, and it tell you the subject. So if it comes to subject, it is all about addressing the message which you're sending. If it was a meeting, you can type them to say this is a meeting on Thursday, it is something on this day and this. So somebody could be wondering about what the CCC, the BBC. See, this is CCC, this is carbon copy. This carbon copy means that here you're not restricting to the people is receiving the message. When you send a message in a group, those people can know that we were sent message. Who knows even other recipients who have received that message. But if you put it in a BCC, this is the blank carbon copy whereby it restricts somebody who has received that message not not to see another person who has received it. So it increases some privacy if you want to send a message and nobody doesn't see it and the other doesn't see it, you just put a what a BCC. So after composing here and so on and everything, so you come here. So we have seen the recipient, that is you send to the subject. So you come here. So you have even the body. On the body, this is where we have to attach our what? Our message. The message could be just typed, or we could be attaching a document. Here we are attaching a file. Here we attach a link in case you just want to send a link to somebody. and get it. So after, when attaching everything, for instance, if I want to attach a document, it comes here and telling me which document I interested of attaching to. I can come here and look for it on the desktop. What do I have? If I have like this one, I can come here and I come here, attach the file. Is 0 bytes, so it is too small to be attached here. So those are certain things which you will be finding on there. So you can see some of nerve injuries and and still it gets attached. So after, you can send. So if you feel that something what you would like to send is not of your choice, you can still see remove that document which you have attached by deleting it. So this is the general delete of that draft which you have done. So doing everything, you can even some do editing, you format something on the sequence of what you have typed and what everything. So finally the final destination will be sending, and it will go to send people who you will send. Now there is even scheduled was sent. You time the time when you specify the time when you would like to send that. You can send and say I want it to be sent on Thursday. You rate it today, but they send it on Thursday. That is what they call schedule setting. That is what I have to say. Well, that is what I had to say today. I wish you well in all your activities.